Good morning, everyone. I just went back from the onsen. Turns out you need to shower in the onsen. That's why we don't have our own shower in the room. I'm gonna go change. Carissa is also getting ready. I'm just chilling and looking at the view. We are going for breakfast. Do I look like someone who works in a department store? This is our breakfast. We have salad, eggplant, mashed potato, salmon. I think it's beef. Onsen egg. I don't know, yogurt probably. Miso soup. And ta-da! This one we need to wait for 15 minutes. Let's take coffee. Another one. We're back at the station where I dropped the wine. Restaurant called Kirin City. It's a restaurant that we found randomly because we were too hungry somewhere near Shibuya Station. Carissa ordered curry omurice. I ordered pasta. Am I not supposed to eat pasta with soup? Yeah. We're going to Shinjuku now. Let's go! Guess what we're buying? Which one? 活躍するゲストをお迎えしてつながることで生まれる情報を取ります。そしてこれははい。Jago juga. Lalu kepres. I need something sweet. Another Starbucks hunt. Looks the same. Exactly the same. We are now queuing for a store called Shiro. Thank you, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. There's something that caught our eye. No, actually, it's her eyes, not my eyes. It's a stitch. Gantian ya. Hari ini udah poin di 3. Iya lucu sih. Saya juga. Terus ayo cepet. Motor dulu. We're finding something for our friend. Joanne, this is for you. We are going for dinner, but it is raining and we missed one of our stops. So here we are, walking to the dinner with a very small umbrella for both of us. So we supposed to try this one restaurant. It's like a carbonara udon called Menchirashi, but the line is crazy. And now it's 9. The restaurant closed at 9:30 anyway, so I don't think there will be enough time even if we queue. And it is raining outside, so we just found a pizza restaurant nearby. So here we are. We ordered this margarita, of course with the beer. The ambience here is so cozy and the people are so nice. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke, but it's really freezing cold. We are now waiting for the bus to arrive. We're going to Shibuya to pick up our luggages because it's in the coin locker. So we need to go there first before heading to the Airbnb, which is another 1 hour. Great! The wind here is like, oh my god, it's like so cold, you guys. The wind is so crazy. And now we gotta walk to our Airbnb. Good morning, everyone. Now is 1:40. We woke up late today and we did some laundry, dried our clothes, and we do a little bit of work. That's why we are quite late. But simple breakfast here. This is my favorite 7-Eleven salad, by the way. Chicken, egg, vegetable, and salty dressing. This is also my favorite. This is like a peach pudding with real peach inside. Let's make breakfast. Are ready. OOTD for today. It's not so cold outside, so just wear sweater and skirt. We just head out of the Airbnb finally at 2:42. We stay at the Nerima area. It is so quiet, so peaceful. I want to stay here, but I need to go back to Jakarta and work. We are now heading to Ebisu area. We're supposed to go a few different places before we go to the perfume store, but since we woke up so late, we don't have enough time. And now we're heading to the Perfume-Making because it's a reservation and we don't want to be late. Stopping at another 7-Eleven. Family Mart. Sorry, we bought milk, spam, cheese. Let's try this. It's like cheese with strawberry jam inside. store that we're visiting. We were deciding on how many layers of fragrance that we want to make. Also, we were able to make our own engraving, like this one. Like this. So, Carissa wrote Japan Volume 1, which means Japan Volume 1.
So this will be the bottle, and then you can mix DIY whatever bottle and whatever cap you like. So this one over here is the top note. It's like the first note that you put coming out, and you can choose like citrusy or like sweet salad. So we can choose this one for the first impression.
I like these. I like the white wine smell. Everything smells great.